Hey traders, I hope everyone's having a great day and an awesome weekend so far. And what I want to do here is an end of month wrap up as well as a bit of an end of week wrap up. So this is how the Aussie yen finished for the week. The thesis with this one is obviously capturing a nice little uptrend. We'll see how it goes though. To be fair, I've made a few positions now. I got in here, I got in here, and I got up here as well. So the expectation is that there might be a little bit of resistance and a bit of a hard time getting through here though. But what I do want to go through is the trades that I've made this month. So there weren't too many. There was the Aussie yen and the Aussie US sell trade. All right, so let's just bring this up, guys. I'm not really. I entered this trade in November, but it did close out after nearly 6 weeks. So, and that's how I've ended the month. So, I'm not running away from losing trades here. This actually at one point was looking pretty good, but the tendency that I've had and that has sort of caused me to slowly, drip feed the account in growth is that I would close things out too soon. So I got in, gosh, it would have been here, and it actually collapsed a little bit. And normally I would take profits, but I let it go. I had a 2R target for this, so it needed to go, well into the 70. I think 74 flat was the target, and bounced up and then hit the stop. So, and it's actually looking pretty bullish now. This could be a buy trade, which again is a good lesson for individuals who are thinking about trading. You've got to be quite adaptable and absorb when the market hits you. But this is a full-size position, and what I've been doing is cutting winning trades too soon and not letting them go. So this is something that I need to experience because it's good to actually learn from that. So a lot of these were cut way too early. And then what happens, obviously, when you have a full-size losing trade, which does happen, and with trend trades, with good trend traders, the win rate isn't super high. I mean, in my back testing, it's been around 60%. So I want to highlight this. And going into 2018, I'll be having a small live account, just $500 with Oanda, and I want everyone to follow me. And you learn from your mistakes, and this is the beauty of the demo trading. And once you demo traded enough, you sort of become attached to the account, and you need to care about the demo account because you learn so many lessons, and then you can have it running when you've got a live account, and you can compare. So if the broker is slipping you a little bit, or if there are issues with that, you can bring it up and go, hey man, look, or even have two small live accounts. But the paper trading and demo trading, whatever you want to call it, has been so vital. And I'm not running away from losing. This is how the month has gone. The Aussie yen looks pretty positive. And it's unfortunate because just with my risk level, with the Aussie dollar sell trade that was going, I got a small position in these two. Well, this one especially, and I got in here at 86.89. So that would have eaten up all the loss that I took on the Aussie dollar. But it's just the name of the game. You're not always going to be able to make money from Forex, and that's why I've got the stock trading as well to sort of diversify a little bit. But there's not really. I mean, currently we've just got those open trades history. You can go back. I started from the 28th. Let's go to page 12. Alright, so we're only going. There's the Aussie yen, 22. Okay, so it's saying that. So that's how it's, so 0.46. So I mean, if I was to have closed that out, it would, minimize that a little bit. But I need to, losing, if it's controlled and managed, is not a bad thing. And it's human nature to go, oh my God, you've lost money. And it's pretty significant, but that's just because of my poor trading. So I really want to highlight that, guys. But I mean, we'll still see the profit, and it's still not too bad. It's 4.65 to $226. The equity high in October was pretty good. So it was up to around 8%. And I started this in March. So that's how it's looking, guys. This sort of highlights pretty good. So taking a little bit of a hit. The peak was 344. So again, I've been quite conservative, and that's the sort of downfall sometimes. So I might have to be a little more risk adverse with, if I see a good setup, take it, because normally I only want 2% risk on the table at one point, but I think that's hindering me a little bit because I'm not even looking at the charts, and I think that's a bit of a downfall because Connor mentioned to me gold, and we'll get that up. I'm just going to sip. See gold. Oh yeah. See what I mean? And I've missed this, and this is a nice little pullback here. So shout out to Connor. I believe he does watch the videos, so I need to open my tunnel vision a little bit more as well. So just moving into 2018, live account will be starting. Yeah, next year. I'll link it up to the MyFX book. So from next week, I'm just going to get into it, guys. So I've got a little bit of Christmas money. I've got that in the bank now. So it's just going to be $500 though. Just 500. Very small positions, because obviously, especially when I use wider stops, that's going to mean, yeah, I'm just going to have to look into that. But we'll make it work. You can grow a small live account, and I've learned quite a bit. And again, thank you for the viewers that have been loyal and are watching, and I hope it's helping and you're learning something. But for the week, down around 1.8 odd%, and with this, not too bad. It's like around 1.3 floating equity. So with this position that's open here, and we'll see how that one goes, guys. But for the week and for the month, it's pretty much, that's what it is. It all sort of happened later in the month, really, with the Aussie dollar, so which has been floating around for 6 weeks. But that's the video, guys. I hope it's helping, and stay tuned for more updates. I'm going to keep them coming. Tomorrow, I might do a bit of chart analysis and see what's going on. But definitely, gold is in focus. We put in some. I might save this for tomorrow, actually, guys. I'll save my chart analysis for gold for tomorrow. I'll just keep this strictly on. That's probably why the Aussie dollar strengthened, because when gold strengthens, the Aussie dollar as well, because we're a huge exporter of gold in Australia. But I'm going to keep chart analysis for tomorrow. I'm going to wrap this up. So that's how I ended for the month, guys, and the week as well. So that's life. We move on. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend. Get a bit of studying, guys, as well, and relax and catch up with some sleep like I'll be doing today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.